In a quaint little town where traditions ran deep, every October the locals held a festival, not just for the fun and frolic, but to honor a particular orange globe, the pumpkin. They believed it held secrets that could transform lives. Why was this humble vegetable celebrated so fervently? What magic did it conceal within its ridged shell? Intriguing questions to pique curiosity. Have you ever considered how versatile the pumpkin really is, beyond Halloween and pies? Did you know that this orange beauty is more than just a seasonal decoration? What if I told you that pumpkins could be the next superfood you're overlooking? How does the humble pumpkin hold its own against modern health foods? Hold on, we'll uncover all these answers and more. But first, before we delve deep into the magic of pumpkins, remember to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Very OK, not just for the love of pumpkins, but for a world of fascinating insights. And for the fans of winter squash, stay tuned. A detailed video tutorial on acorn squash in the oven is coming your way soon. Stay tuned for this mouth-watering culinary creation. Pumpkins, those orange globes we so associate with Halloween and autumn, are a powerhouse of nutrients and have a rich history. Native to North America, pumpkins have been grown for thousands of years. They are considered fruit, but when cooking, they are often referred to as vegetables. Published studies on pumpkin benefits. Dietary fibers and weight loss. As per a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, pumpkins are high in fiber. They help you feel full, thus aiding in weight management. Vision and eye health. A research in the archives of ophthalmology indicates that consuming pumpkins, which are rich in vitamin A, can strengthen eyesight, especially in dim light. Skin boosting. The Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology released a study that suggests that the carotenoids in pumpkins can neutralize free radicals, keeping skin wrinkle-free. Heart health and potassium. As cited in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, increased potassium intake is linked to reduced risk of stroke, something pumpkins can contribute to. Beyond these scientifically proven benefits, pumpkins are an incredibly versatile ingredient in the kitchen. Whether it's in pies, soups, roasts, or even beverages, there's a pumpkin recipe that's perfect for every palate. Answers to our teasers. Versatility of pumpkins. From creamy soups, spicy curries to sweet pies and even smoothies, pumpkins grace our tables in countless ways. Beyond decor, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, pumpkins are a hidden superfood that's both affordable and widely available. Pumpkins versus modern health foods. While trendy foods come and go, pumpkins have stood the test of time as a nutrient-dense, versatile food that can benefit all ages. Pumpkins are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Here are some simple and easy pumpkin recipe ideas. 1. Roasted pumpkin seeds, a delightful, crunchy snack packed with fiber, making it a healthier alternative to many store-bought snacks, and its natural nutty flavor is a treat for the taste buds. 2. Pumpkin smoothie, a creamy blend that's not just delicious but also packs the nutritious benefits of pumpkin and bananas. It's a sweet way to start the day or recharge in the afternoon. 3. Pumpkin soup, a velvety, heartwarming soup perfect for cooler days. Its rich texture and combination of spices make it a healthier comfort food that feels indulgent. 4. Pumpkin muffins. These moist muffins offer the sweet and spicy notes of fall, making them a perfect breakfast treat. Plus, they're a more nutritious option than many commercial pastries. 5. Pumpkin hummus, a twist on the classic dip. This hummus is a harmonious blend of pumpkin and chickpeas. It's a delightful way to add more vitamins to your snack time while enjoying a burst of flavors. 6. Pumpkin risotto. This creamy, savory dish merges the distinct flavors of pumpkin and sage. It's not just filling but also offers a healthier carb option with the goodness of pumpkin. 7. Pumpkin pancakes. Soft, fluffy, and filled with the essence of fall, these pancakes provide a healthier start to your morning, infusing the benefits of pumpkin into a breakfast favorite. 8. Pumpkin curry, a hearty, aromatic dish that combines the sweetness of pumpkin with the warmth of spices. It's a nutrient-rich curry that stands out in both taste and health benefits. 9. Baked pumpkin oatmeal, a splendid breakfast or dessert option. This baked oatmeal brings together the wholesomeness of oats and pumpkin. It's a fiber-rich dish that's both tasty and good for your digestive system. 10. Pumpkin pasta sauce, Elevate your pasta nights with this sauce, which provides a creamy, velvety texture combined with the rich flavors of pumpkin and sage. It's a more nutritious take on traditional pasta sauces, introducing more vitamins and minerals to your plate. These recipe ideas offer a blend of taste and health, making them a perfect fit for anyone looking to enjoy the benefits of pumpkin in delicious, innovative ways. So, the next time you see a pumpkin, remember the town's secret and the wealth of goodness it. Thanks for watching. Very okay.